Hello everyone, welcome back again to Deb's Delight. Today we are making Ghana pound cake. Super delicious, super fluffy and super moist. If you like, please keep watching. You know that you definitely have to add this to your list of recipes this Christmas. Into a bowl, add your sugar and toss in your butter. As I always say, I do not like a lot of sugar when I'm making my pastries, and I don't like sugar in general, so I always reduce the quantity of sugar I use. If you like more sugar, please add more. I will leave the quantities of ingredients in the description box, so please check it out. Please note that I will add the exact amount of sugar you need, but if you like more, please add more. Okay, I'll whisk this to combine until it's nice and very fluffy. Please make sure to clean the sides while you go on. Okay, so continue whisking until it's nice and fluffy. If you have a stand mixer, even the better. You don't have to waste your time standing and mixing it. If you don't have a stand mixer or even a hand one, you can always use a spatula. Okay, so at this point you can see that our butter is nice and fluffy. So now we're going to introduce our eggs, which we will add in bits. Okay, so I'll toss in 3 first and start whisking and mixing until it's all mixed up nicely, and then introduce the rest of the eggs. If you're new on here, thank you so much for stopping by today. The name of the page is Deb's Delight. My name is Debbie, and on here I bring you loads of different amazing recipes. If you haven't subscribed or followed, please do well to follow or subscribe so that whenever I post a video, you will be instantly notified. Make sure to whisk and mix everything beautifully until it's nice and fluffy and smooth. I'll now introduce the next ingredient, which is some evaporated milk. Yes, this cake is loaded. You can always use whole milk if you like. To this, I'll add some pineapple flavor. If you do not like it, you can always replace it with any flavoring you want. So I added some pineapple flavoring and some vanilla extract. You can take out or add as you want. Whisk this to combine beautifully, and the next ingredient will be our flour. I'm using all-purpose flour here, 2 cups, and then your baking powder, some nutmeg, which is totally optional. You can add or leave it. Okay, I'll then mix everything gently until it is well combined. As soon as it combines, please, it is okay, you are good to go. Don't keep mixing. Okay, before everything combines, I'm going to go ahead and add some lemon zest. Again, this is totally optional. You can omit this or add it, but trust me, it adds so much flavor to your pound cake. Just grate a little bit of the skin. Make sure to wash it very well beforehand. Grate it and mix it to combine. Okay, now everything has combined very well. Our butter is looking beautiful. I'm going to transfer this to my baking pan, which I have coated with some butter to prevent your cake from sticking onto it in the baking process. You can as well layer it with some baking sheets, even the better. Okay, I'll give it a little jiggle and tap. Transfer it into my preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius. Bake this for 20 to 40 minutes, and just look at that. If you insert a toothpick and it comes out dry, your cake is good to go. This cake was absolutely delicious, turned out so beautiful. Just look at that, so amazing, very fluffy, very delicious, very aromatic. This is definitely a Christmas treat. You know that if you're in Ghana, you definitely have to make cake during festive seasons, because you know people normally come around to take their gifts, and this is an amazing way of making them feel welcome, something for their sweet tooth. If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. If you'll be trying this recipe, type I'll be trying this in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, comment and share. Until I see you in my next one, remember that I love you all, but God loves you most. Bye for now.